Hello, my name is Dr. Martin from Percy St Clinic, and today we will be talking about snoring. Snoring is a very common condition. It is not a health condition, but it's very common amongst population. So it's estimated that approximately 30 to 40% of UK population snore. So at Percy St Clinic we have Somni laser, which is a non-invasive, non-ablative laser of the soft palate. It's very effective, and our data shows that after a series of treatments we can reduce the snoring by up to 60%, which is good. Depending on the assessment, you might need a series of treatments, up to 6 treatments, which we usually do them every week or every other week for the maximum effect. There is an app that we will ask you to download, and that will assess your snoring, the intensity of the snoring, and then it will help us to assess the effectiveness of the treatment throughout the treatments as well. Okay, with these treatments, basically we treat the laxity of the soft palate, because when the soft palate it becomes too lax, it might block the airway, and when we force the air in, it vibrates, and that's how it causes the snoring sound. With these treatments, we can actually stimulate collagen and try to tighten the soft palate in a simple term, and that will shrink the soft palate, and that will in turn open the airway, and the sounds of snoring will reduce. So if you are interested in treatment for snoring, or if you know someone which might benefit from these treatments, please contact us for consultation.